you work on a project that has a sleeve or a cuff, and basically what that is that's an in the round type of application, and the best way to handle those applications is a free arm. Now the Baby Lock Joy does have free arm capabilities, and to expose that free arm we're going to simply remove the accessory tray by sliding it to the left, and now you can see that I have that free arm and my project simply slides right into place. So now that my project is in place where I want my stitching to be, I'm just going to simply sew around my project or sew in the round. And you can see as I'm moving, it's real easy with that free arm or with the free arm capabilities to handle projects such as sleeves or cuffs or something else that you may be working on where you are in a sense sewing in around or sewing in a circle where you have your seam already created, and now I'm either top stitching or I'm hemming that. Now I'm coming to the end and I'm just going to simply overlap my stitching, make sure my needle's out of my fabric. I'm going to go ahead and raise my presser foot, pull my project out. I'm going to cut those threads, and you can see that I have a beautiful hem or beautiful top stitching all done in the round using the free arm on the Baby Lock Joy.